Good morning, everybody. Do you have a Toyota Corolla or Chevy Prizm with a broken door handle on the inside? If so, then stay tuned, because today I am going to show you how to fix that. So, this is really a quite simple job, at least for these models. All you need is a Phillips head screwdriver, and then of course, the replacement door handle. So, we will go ahead and unscrew this door handle. I'm actually right-handed, but you do what you gotta do sometimes. There we go. And then just carefully pop this out. There it goes. A little piece fell on the ground, but I'm not worried about that. This thing's broken anyways. And then right back in here is a little rod that actually opens the door. The hardest part is holding on to this rod. In fact, there we go. So there's the door handle. We'll go ahead and pull this yellow tab, or this yellow plastic piece, out of the rod. Now, with this rod, it's important that you hold on to it, because if you let it fall, then you're going to have to remove the whole door panel. And all that is going to do is create more work for yourself. So, we'll go ahead and take the new door handle, put it in the rod, and then get the hold on it. There we go. Then just carefully pop it in. Might have to work with this a little bit, but it will eventually get there. Just takes a little bit of wiggling. There we go. And then almost kind of have this. Well, I can probably fix that with a flathead screwdriver though. Okay, so just make sure that the screw hole lines up. And then I'm going to take a flathead screwdriver with some electrical tape on it and all this material or fabric that kind of got pinched here. I'm just going to kind of flatten it out. Me, I'm just a perfectionist when it comes to this stuff, so I just kind of like to keep it looking professional. And there we go. Got it looking the way it's supposed to look. Now to just put this screw in. There we go. And now just make sure it works. And we are done. Not a bad job at all. Literally did this before breakfast. And don't forget, new videos every Sunday. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Also make sure you hit that bell so you never miss a video. And I will see you guys next week.